What's going on, my Himiway owning friends? In this video I'm going to be going on a ride on my Himiway bike, and I'm going to try to set this at whatever setting I got to set this at to try to keep this right around 20 miles an hour. And so I'm going to try to pedal as much as I can without getting wore out and beat. I got myself some water, and I'm going to set my phone to see how far my phone says I went, because I'm not sure how much I really trust the speedometer. And I have a battery to hook up to my GoPro so I can film most of this, and I also have an American flag on the back because it is the 4th of July. Let me do a couple little stretches and I want to get this ride started. Start my phone, and I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing, but we're going to see how far I can go on one full battery, pedaling on like about half, or I'm going to have this set at like half power, like I said, just so it keeps this going right around 20 miles an hour. And I'm going to probably go and stop a couple times here and there like a normal ride. I'm going to be going through some country roads, going to be going through town some, maybe along the river some, and we're just going to see how far I go. Alright, here we go.
Average pace, 4 minutes, 33 seconds per mile.
4 minutes a mile. My phone says I went 7 miles, and then my Himiway says I went 8 miles. Holy crap, finally my battery went down 1 notch. This is going to take a long time. Let's see what my phone says we went. My bike is different. It says I went 13 miles, 46 minutes. My average pace is around 3 minutes. Let's get something to drink. Alright, I'm going to get going again. Ooh. And I also think I'm going to up my pedal assist just to see if this will go down a little quicker. This is going to take forever. I don't know if you ever went on a 14-mile bike ride, but it's quite a ways. We're going to go as fast as this thing can go. Well, there's the Susquehanna River. Alright. Let's keep going. I don't think I've been down here since my kids were real little. Now I'm cheating a little, I'm not pedaling. Holy crap, that's steep. Oh, shit. We gotta slow down before I wreck. There's my old house. Looks like he put a new garage door on. Should say that was my first house. It's got a really nice flagpole. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna get a new battery and I gotta go ride a little bit longer.
What's this?
27 miles.
Okay, what's this?
That's the gears.
Oh. I didn't know it could shift gears.
I went 29 miles. So that's
I don't think the phones are very accurate.
So the phone ain't accurate, but that could be accurate?
I would imagine this is probably more accurate than that.
I don't know. There's all kinds of different settings for the tires, and I don't know if I have them set right.
Do I have to set this at any particular speed, or doesn't it matter?
I had it set like 6 to 9 all the way up.
All
6
right.
will get you around 20 miles an hour, 9 is going to get you faster.
All right.
All right. My wife's got the second leg because my legs are broken.
Ready? Watch out, kitty.
That is, yeah, that's going. Okay.
Watch out.
All right.
Watch out, kitty.
Call me if it dies.
I don't. Whoa. I smell somebody grilling burgers. That smells good. Oh, I'm hungry now. All right, let's go by the school. Oh, man, front brakes need adjusted or replaced. comfortable seat, babe. This one sucks. Stop. Go. Find these bushes. Got some berries. Oh, don't run over the pickers, and they did. Uh-oh. Losing juice. They don't want to go. 37.5 miles according to the bike. I'm on speed 7 and it barely wants to get up and go. Losing juice. Losing juice. I'm on level 8. I can only go about 17, 18 miles an hour. I was going like over 20, so it's starting to lose. Woo. Parties everywhere. Happy 4th of July. Woo. And we are free to do what we want to do. Celebrate the birth of a nation, or don't celebrate, but you're free to do so. There's nowhere else in the world you can do that.
Is it dead?
Almost. It's losing juice. Like I'm on level 9 and it only wants to do about 10 miles an hour, maybe.
All right, I finished my ride, or my wife finished the ride, and the phone says we got around 35.7 miles, and the bike says we got about 38.6 miles. My wife finished this up and she said at the end it was only going around 10 miles an hour, and that's all the faster it would go. So we're gonna end it there. I don't know who goes out and goes for a bike ride 38 miles, but that's a long ways. Now, I had this on pedal assist 6 all the way up to pedal assist 9 because I thought this was gonna take forever. So I think if you would keep this on from like pedal assist 1 to pedal assist 6, you probably could go 40, 50 miles. Definitely goes a long ways. So I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I do plan on doing a video on how far you can go on this without pedaling at all. So that'll be easy, a lot easier anyway, because my legs feel like jello right now. I don't know about my wife's, but
No, I'm good.
my legs are killing me because I did like 90% of that. So please give me a thumbs up. Check out some of my t-shirts that me and my wife designed down below too. God bless and have a great summer.